Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to crop a picture on Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to crop a picture on Canva. When you are on Canva, check the size or the project you want. Okay, for example here, YouTube thumbnail. And after that, upload the picture, just click upload, and then here upload files. Okay, for example this one, double click, and then just click it here, and here just you can increase the size. Okay, here you see flip. Next to the flip you see crop, just click on it. And here if you click smart crop, that's it's automatically, that is AI. But here you free form, just click on it, and here just you can drag, for example here this side, and here this side. Yeah, okay, it's done. Yeah, after that, when you are happy with the size, just click share and download it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to crop a picture on Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.